When the waste leaves, it takes the heavy metals, the radiation, and the pathogens with it. Not only that, anything else, the residue from any kinds of drugs, be they recreational or pharmaceutical, anything that shouldn't be there is going to leave in the waste matter. So as you cleanse, you're not just cleansing food residue, you're cleansing the acidic waste matter of all the things you've been exposed to in your lifetime as you release this waste. It is so powerful. That's why, well, so many of our physical problems have to do with exposure to heavy metals, radiation, and these pathogens that develop in the waste matter. And to address them without addressing the waste is really pointless. So to just do, say, a heavy metal cleanse, or just do a pathogen eviscerating kind of protocol, or to just try to remove the radiation exposure from the body by taking things that could be, whether they're pharmaceutical chelators or natural chelators, that's a drop in the bucket. It's nothing like what you can achieve in terms of chelating all of this through the waste, through the cleansing. So using colon irrigation, the awakening of the waste through the proper dietetics, through your green juices and green-centric diet, and the colon irrigation to remove this waste is the great chelator. It's the most powerful way, the most thorough way to successfully, completely remove these heavy metals, radiation, and the pathogens from the body. Now, you can add the natural chelators. You can add the pathogen eviscerators. I'm very big on that. But if I had to choose one or the other, the choice is just too easy. I wouldn't even bother with the added chelators. I would just focus on the waste removal, on the waste release. If I had the choice to use both, I would use both.